friends, how are you all? I hope you are safe and sound. Nowadays, COVID-19 is spreading exponentially and almost every household is getting infected by COVID. As RT-PCR test takes time, nowadays we have a faster option, which is antigen self-test. Since antigen self-test is a new concept, many people are finding it hard for using it. So I thought I should make a video on how to use it. So now let's open the kit first. So in this kit we have a test device, sterile nasal swab, pre-filled buffer tube and dropper cap, disposal bag and an instruction manual. Read the instructions before using this kit. So shall we start testing? Wash your hands properly and make sure they are dry before you start the test. Remove the test components from the box and place them on the flat surface. Open Covifind app and fill the credentials. Remove the test device from the pouch. Take out the tube from the packet. Push the buffer tube onto perforated circle. Peel the aluminium foil from the pre-filled buffer tube. Remove the sterile swab from the tail end. Do not touch the swab head. Carefully insert the swab into one nostril and gently rub it along the inside nasal passage at least 5 times. Use the same swab and repeat it in the other nostril. Insert the swab in the buffer tube and swirl it 8 to 10 times in the fluid. Hold the buffer tube firmly and break the swab handle at the break point. Leave the swab inside the tube and secure the cap on the buffer tube. Squeeze 4 drops of the fluid from the tube into the sample well of the test device. You could read the results in 15 minutes. Results after 20 minutes should not be considered. Click the photo of the test device on the app. The app will analyze and display your COVID-19 test results, and that shall be the final result. If control line C and test line T appear, the result is positive. If there is only control line C and no test line T, the result is negative. The result is invalid when only test line T appears, or even if no line appears. Let us see my results. As in my case, only control line C appeared, my test is negative. Finally, dispose all contents of the kit into the disposal bag and seal it using the double-sided tape. To buy this self-test kit, the link is in the description below. Friends, do remember that this is just an preliminary test. If you got positive, then please go to any healthcare center and get tested for RT-PCR and check whether you're positive or not. So friends, use mask, maintain social distancing and stay safe. Take care and thank you for watching. Bye.